Imagine looking up at a sky filled with trillions of stars, yet seeing almost complete darkness. How is that even possible? More than 200 years ago, one simple question changed astronomy forever. If the universe is filled with countless stars, why does the night sky remain dark? The question became known as Olbers Paradox. If the universe contains countless stars, then every direction we look should end with the surface of a star. So, why isn't the entire sky glowing? But if that were true, the night sky should never be dark. Every tiny point in the sky should eventually end at the surface of a star. The entire universe should shine like one giant sun. The answer isn't that space has no light. It's because our eyes were never meant to see most of it. The sun is flooding space with an unimaginable amount of light. But space itself has nothing to scatter that light. Without an atmosphere, the darkness remains. But another mystery remained. If space is filled with stars, why do so many NASA photos show nothing but blackness? Were the stars really missing? Or was something else happening? The stars never disappeared. The camera simply wasn't looking for them. To capture a bright planet, the exposure must be very short. But to reveal distant stars, the camera must gather light for much longer. But the darkness of space hides another secret. The light we see is only a tiny fraction of everything that exists. What we call darkness is simply the limit of human vision. The universe isn't empty. It's glowing in colors our eyes can never see, and that's when the mystery becomes even deeper. Scientists discovered that most of the universe is completely invisible, not because it doesn't exist, but because it doesn't emit light at all. In fact, everything we've ever seen, every star, every planet, every galaxy, makes up less than 5% of the entire universe. So, is space really dark? Or are we simply looking with eyes that can only see a tiny fraction of reality? The universe was never dark. We were simply looking at it with limited eyes. And perhaps the greatest mysteries are still invisible.